Hello. Today we will learn about blockchain. Have you ever played a game where everyone keeps track of the score on their own piece of paper? It can get confusing, right? Blockchain is like a super cool scoreboard for the entire internet. Instead of one person keeping track, millions of computers around the world all have a copy of the same information. This information is like building blocks, each one connected to the next in a long chain. That's why it's called blockchain. Every time something happens online, like buying a game or trading a digital baseball card, a new block gets added to the chain. This block contains all the details about what happened, like who, what, when, and where. The coolest part? Because everyone has a copy, it's nearly impossible to cheat. If someone tries to change one block, all the other computers would know something is wrong. It's like having a million referees checking each other's work. So what does this mean for you? Blockchain can make things you use every day more secure, like online games, and even your school lunch money account. In the future, it might even be used for stuff like tracking library books or keeping your report cards super safe. Blockchain is a brand new invention, kind of like a super powerful gadget we're still figuring out. But one thing's for sure, it's making the online world a more trustworthy place, one block at a time.